Hey there, my name is Johnny Pugh, in-game character name Sir Livingston, and today I want to take a few minutes to show you the tracking camera UI improvements that are coming in Rubicon 1.1. Now previously our tracking camera options were located in both our directional scan window right here and also in our selected item window up here in this corner. Now currently both those options have been removed and replaced with a radial menu called Camera Controls. It's located right here. I'll turn off tracking camera right now. There it goes, it's turned off. Now first thing I got to address is them removing it from the directional scanner window. Those who PvP understand that having it there is very useful because you can turn it on and turn it off when you're going into directional scanning of objects of the distance, so you can see if there's a ship there, and then you turn it off when you're getting into combat, or it's quick access, much quicker access, and having to go up to there or over to, if you have it at the bottom, over to that radial menu and turning it off. There also is a shortcut. You can use shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts for your tracking camera, whatever. But currently it's been removed from directional scanner window and our selected item window. And now it's been replaced with just one button right here. Radial menu, camera controls. You click on it, opens up your radial menu. This is your on and off button. Over here is your custom tracking position if you want to make your own custom tracking position for your tracking camera. And over to the left is the center tracking position, which is default center screen. And on the bottom is look at my ship, which is essentially reworded for reset camera. That was the old reset camera button that it used to be. Right here on TQ currently it's reset camera. That's all it does. So what they did is they consolidated all of your tracking camera options into this one radio menu button right there. Okay. Now, if these changes remain as they are, I do recommend learning your keyboard shortcut if you like to use your tracking camera, and stop using the directional scanner one and use a shortcut. So let's go through and show the option. I'm going to turn it back on. Turn tracking camera on. Selected is turned back on. We are now currently tracking the Amarr station. I'm going to go ahead and set a custom tracking position right there. So set custom. It's currently tracking. Whoa, it should give me the option. There you go. I gotta grab it pretty quickly. It'll disappear. So here it is. I'm setting my own custom tracking position, just like before. Right there. And the center tracking position. This is the default, right back to the center, in line with your ship. Right? Tracking object in your ship in line. That way you can use it for directional scanning purposes and save yourself some time looking for hostiles or prey, however you PvP. Next is reset camera. Look at my ship. That's all it does. Resets camera, and if you still have your tracking camera on, it will of course keep your ship tracking the current object you're tracking. And also I should say, the developers said that they improved the speed at which your ship will now track objects in the distance. Before it was much slower. They improved it. Hopefully it'll be on par with those guys who disable VSync and have extremely fast D-scan tracking. So, but that's all the changes I want to show you. This is it. The radial menu for your camera controls now up here in your HUD. Our tracking camera UI improvements coming in Rubicon 1.1. I hope you enjoyed this preview, and we'll see what the final features show on Rubicon 1.1 launch day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.